Something like this. Everybody sing now. For fame and for fortune, I've wandered the air, but now I've come back to the land of my birth. I brought back my treasures, but only to find they're less than the pleasures I first left. Are you ready to sing? Everybody. For these are mine, and this is my Glen, the braes of my childhood, the braes of my child will know me again, will know me again. No land's ever claimed me, no land's ever claimed me. Though far I did roam, for these are my mountains, and I'm going home. The stream by the road sings at my going by, the lark overhead wings a welcoming cry, the lake where the trout fly once more I will see, for it's there that my heart lies, it's there I must once more let you sing. For these are my mountains, and this is my Glen. Happy New Year. The braes of my childhood will know me again. No land's ever claimed me, though far I did roam. For these are my mountains, and I'm going home. Take it away, Ronnie. On accordion, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Ronnie Kennedy. Kind faces will greet me and welcome me in, and oh how they'll greet me back home again. Tonight round the fireside, old songs will be sung. At last I'll be hearing mine one last time, everybody. For these are mine. Raise the roof this time, and this is my Glen, the braes of my childhood, will know me again. No land's ever claimed me, no land's ever claimed me. Though far I did roam, for these are my mountains, and I'm going home. For these are my mountains, and I have come home. Thank you very much.